Hello there, beautiful people. You want to know how to set the sale price for products with variants on Shopify? That's very easy. First thing you're going to do is access products from the left menu right here. And after that, access the product you're trying to set the sale price for. For example, let's just say I want to set the sale price for this shirt product right here. After that, scroll down to the variant section, which is this one right here. Then click on the variant arrow to be expanded. Then simply click on one of them. I'm going to click on this one and it will open up a new page right here with all the variants, as you can see, and this is where you can set the sale price for each one. For example, this one, you can click on it and you see the price, and below it there is compare at price, and this is the sale price. Simply click on compare at price and here it will show compare at price. You can pick if you want to charge tax on this or not. For example, the price is 25. I'm gonna set like 35, so the cross price will be 35. The new price is 25. So that's the sale price. And you can do same for the others. Simply click on this one. Oh, but you have to click on save first. Let me click on save. Now simply navigate to the next product, next variant, then do the same. Compare it and add 35. If you want to add different, you can do the same. You can click on again, save, come on. You can do the same. You can click, for example, the L, the large one. I don't want 35, I'm gonna do 30. You can do that as well. So you can adjust each variant separately on this page right here, and you can do so for each product. And that's how you set the sale price for products with variants on your Shopify store. If you have any more complicated questions, come on, drop them below. If you want help with your Shopify store, make sure to reach out using the link in the description. But for now, I think my job is done. Thanks for watching. Catch you on the next one.